Okay, so she said that I should surprise her. So I'm gonna make her. How about a pearl slime? Wait, let's check. Yeah, I'm gonna do pearl. Let's add the clear glue, some baby oil, and then some pigment and activator. And just mix it. Okay, so I'm gonna look at what colors I have. Let's see. Maybe we should do a ruby. Let's just open our whole store of paints. Let's check. Where's the ruby? Or should we do yellow? Nah, not yellow. Let's see. We don't want to do pink. I think we're just gonna do ruby. So let's search for it, and there it is. Okay, let's stir it in. Okay, that looks so nice. Now let's add some, how about some jelly cubes? Where is it? Okay, I think we're close, and there it is. She would love these jelly cubes. She could squish them and then they would just feel so nice. Another one we could do is maybe like some accessories. So maybe like some flowers. Yeah, let's do it red flowers. Or yeah, red. Yeah, red is pretty good. Let's mix that in. And done. What should we name it? We should name it Ruby Slime. Done. And we earned some money for making it because she paid us. Now let's put it in a gift box. Let's color it pink. Then we'll put some red ribbon. And done. Let's see what I got. Oh my god. A ruby slime. She surprised me so good. She put my favorite color with these very squishy jelly cubes and my favorite plant, a flower, and they're red. My favorite color is red. This slime shop is amazing.